Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix iOS 18 iPhone battery draining fast very easily. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. Without all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so the first step is to just restart your iPhone if you haven't already. If it still doesn't fix your problem, what you can do is just enable low power mode. So just open navigation menu like this and turn on low power mode like this, and it should fix your problem. It might hinder your performance a bit, but yeah, this should fix your problem. If it still doesn't fix your problem, what you can do is just update to iOS 18 once again, update to a more stable version, or you can just downgrade to iOS 17 like this. You should watch a tutorial on how to downgrade to iOS 17, like how to revert back. So yeah, iOS 18 is not available officially, so it's going to have bugs. So you can just go back to iOS 17 and it should fix your problem. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.